Hello and welcome back. This is Ibrahim Umar, X-Lab Zone Training Center. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the DATEDIF undocumented function. Well, the DATEDIF calculates the difference between two dates. So, for example, I have the hire date of these employees, and then I unfortunately have the end date of these employees. I would like to calculate how many years and months and days these employees worked until they ended their contract. Well, so the code to calculate the years is Y and YM to calculate the months that are less than a year, and MD calculate the dates that are less than a month. But M calculate the total number of months, like 17 months or 20 months, and the D calculate the number of days, like 1,000 days, 2,000 days, and so on. But YM calculate the months that are less than a year, and MD calculates the number of days that less than a month. So in this case, I would like to calculate how many years this employee worked, and then months. For example, like he would work like 5 years and 7 days, 7 months and 15 days, for example, and so on. So the function is equals day difference, open parenthesis, and the old date should be first. This is the old date, and then comma, and then the new date, comma, and then the quote between double quotes, double quote, Y double quote, and close parenthesis, and press enter, boom. And now this employee worked 10 years, and this one, oh, the date is wrong, misspelled. So the date should be its opposite. So it started in September 21st, and then ended, let's say today. Let's say today. Today is control semicolon will give us today's date. So 0 year, so no years are there because it's only days, not even months. Okay. Well, and month, so equals the diff open parentheses, and then all date first, comma, and the last date, comma, and double quote YM, double quote, close parentheses, and press enter. 5 months, and then what is still because it's only days, so 20, like 20 days or 9 days and so on. Okay, so equals the diff open parentheses, and then start date, comma, end date, comma, double quote, MD, double quote, close parentheses. That's it, enter, and then double click to send it out. Boom. So it's 9 days. Yeah, it's 9 days. Okay. So what if we would like to create a single formula and then drag it all the way to the right and double click to send them down? So perfect. It then equals diff open parentheses, and then start date, but in this case I have to fix the column but not the row. So F4, 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 the dollar sign before the C, before the column reference, then it locks the column. So when I drag it to the right, it won't move, comma. And then this one, F4, F4, F4 again, close, lock the column but not the row, comma. And then this way, when the quote is outside, when referring to a cell, so we don't put the double quote here. But I have to fix the row but not the column. So F4, F4, close parenthesis, and then control, enter, boom. Amazing. So this is the end of this video, and then see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, please.